I choose to make every second matter, to capture every moment. The Osmo Mobile takes the shake away from my video, so I never have to worry about losing a memory. All I need to do is snap in my phone. I share rare moments live to inspire friends back home. When making new friends, I want to be in the scene. The Osmo Mobile automatically tracks me, so I never miss a moment. Creating motion time lapses has never been so easy. I can shoot a perfect panorama. There's a great quote: "We travel not to escape life, but for life not to escape us." So don't let life pass you by. Follow your passion, live, start telling your story, and be an inspiration.